The Flowmaster 3-inch dual-angle exhaust tip is perfect for the 97 and up F-150 owner who's looking for a simple but effective way to spice up that relatively plain, rusty, and let's face it, kind of ugly factory exhaust tip without investing in an actual exhaust system. This tip will attach to your factory 2.5-inch tailpipe easily in minutes with a clamp-on design. I'll be giving the install 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect it to take less than 15 minutes to bolt on. At just over $60 for this bolt-on tip is a great alternative to an axleback or catback system, which will cost at least $250 or more, and it'll change up the look of your rig in just a few minutes. This features the same stainless steel and quality construction you'd get from a full Flowmaster set at a fraction of the cost. And if you do have an axleback or catback, this is also a great option for covering up a damaged exhaust tip on the aftermarket exhaust instead of cutting it off or buying a whole new kit. It's also an easy solution if you're just looking to change up your current look. The tip is made from a double wall stainless steel for strength. The stainless will naturally resist rust and corrosion, especially important for the part of your truck that's always visible and constantly being subjected to exhaust water, vapor, road salt, and dirt. The tip is polished to give it this mirror-like shine, and it comes embossed with the Flowmaster logo to complete that classic hot rod look. If you already have dual exit exhaust on your truck, you could buy 2 of these and this will give you a quad tip exit. If the dual tip or polished finish are just not for your build, just know that Flowmaster has different styles and finishes to fit any budget, so I know we'll have what you're looking for. Switching over to the install, this is a simple clamp style bolt-on install that I'll be giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you could expect it to take about 15 minutes or less to complete. The only tools you'll need is a simple ratchet and socket set. That's my review on Flowmaster's 3-inch dual-angle polished exhaust tip. Check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.